Join me as I put the Sony Xperia 17 to the test, pushing its 4K display and zoom capabilities to the limit. The Sony Xperia 17 is making waves with its exciting features, and I'm thrilled to dive into what makes it so special: the return of the 4K display and a major zoom upgrade that's got everyone talking. Smartphone manufacturers face a daunting task in balancing high display quality with enhanced camera capabilities, all while keeping devices sleek and user-friendly. This delicate balance often leads to trade-offs, where improving one aspect may compromise another, a challenge that has puzzled manufacturers for years. Display quality and camera capabilities are intricately linked, as a higher quality display can accentuate the details captured by a camera, but achieving this synergy is no easy feat. The pursuit of innovation in display technology and camera systems drives the industry forward, with each new breakthrough opening doors to previously unimaginable possibilities. The Xperia 17's 4K display technology is a marvel, offering unparalleled visual clarity that makes every image and video pop. This is especially evident when compared to previous models and competitors, where the difference in display quality is stark. The new zoom features are equally impressive, allowing for crisp and clear images even at high zoom levels, a significant upgrade from its predecessors. By incorporating advanced optics and sophisticated software, the Xperia 17 achieves a level of zoom capability that was previously thought impossible in a smartphone. This is a game changer for anyone who loves photography, as the possibilities for capturing stunning images are endless. The ability to capture life's moments in exquisite detail is what sets the Xperia 17 apart from other smartphones, offering users a level of creative freedom they've never experienced before. Whether you're a professional photographer or just someone who loves taking pictures, the Xperia 17's capabilities will blow you away. The potential use cases are vast, from capturing stunning landscapes to documenting special moments with loved ones, all in breathtaking 4K detail. This level of image quality combined with the advanced zoom features makes the Xperia 17 an indispensable tool for anyone serious about mobile photography. Moreover, the implications for videography are equally profound, with the ability to record footage in 4K and zoom in on details without losing clarity, opening up new avenues for content creators. The key points to take away are the Xperia 17's incredible 4K display and its groundbreaking zoom upgrade, features that signify a major leap forward in smartphone technology. These advancements reinforce the significance of the Xperia 17 in the smartphone market, positioning it as a leader in innovation and user experience. Thanks for watching, and if you've got thoughts on the Sony Xperia 17, leave them in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you think. Be sure to check out my other videos for more tech reviews and insights into the latest gadgets and innovations.